We got gooseneck trailers, office trailers, bathroom trailers, heck, even a service unit. Come follow along. So now we're at a gooseneck Snowden. So this is the 2026 run of Snowden series for Glacial Lake Snow Bear up in Siston. What you'll see is new here is the wheel wells. So we have a split torsion axle. So this face is cut in our shop here on our CNC plas machine, as well as our tube plas cuts this piece here. This gives it really sleek, nice design, nice looking, and the split torsion just helps with tow. One other thing that you're going to notice on the Snowden series, whether it's a bumper pull or a gooseneck, is we have a 3-inch taper behind the wheel wells that gets water to run to the back into the trench drain that's in the trailer. So this trench drain drains underneath on both sides with a bolt plug to keep all the dust and debris out. Pull the plug, let it drain. You can put heat tape or a block heater on the back side of it to keep it from freezing in the winter. Then two more things on the front of the gooseneck is you're going to notice this taper. So it tapers down, gets good aerodynamics, cuts through the wind, and then this big gooseneck. This is actually a 9.5 foot long gooseneck with this structure in it, and then there is a hydraulic box in the front of the unit for the hydraulic lift and lower mechanism. Okay, this is a bathroom trailer, and we talked about it in a couple weeks before. But we have our walls built by Total Build, which is a company down in Lake Norden, South Dakota. The cool thing about them is that they put on here all the cut numbers and all of the pieces in our job book. So every trailer that goes through the shop has a job book with a sales order that's signed by the customer with change orders if needed. Just an overall layout of the trailer, the framing package, how to look, the sheeting package of the floor, the sheeting package of the walls, the framing. So all of these numbers go with the numbers on the studs. Pretty cool. So now in Station 3, we're standing by an office trailer. This has easily become our most popular trailer build through the line, especially in the past 2 years, going up into the oil field or construction companies. Just honestly, it's a versatile unit for any company out there. But one of the things that we'll talk about here is you'll notice that they're moving forward with the sheeting. So all of our sheeting starts at the rear, moves forward down the sidewall, and all of the studs are engineered that the edge of the paneling lands on them. So it'll one land here, the next one will land here, then it'll go around the corner. So you'll see here, they're laying from the rear of the trailer towards the front, and this seam here is going to overlay about 1.5 to 2 inches on the stud with some VHB tape behind it. Holds everything together nice and sturdy. The other thing is, going down the road, the water is going to go over the seam, not into the seam. So here we are inside that High Five Logistics office trailer that we talked about a week ago. This one's going to be self-sustained. It's going to have a bunch of solar on the roof, some lithium batteries in this cabinet. It's going to have a key fob entry access on the walk door. But the thing that we want to show you on the inside is the closed cell spray foam. Arizona, it's super hot. This customer, he wants to keep it nice and cool. It's going to have a 1.5 ton mini split on the rear of this thing, pumping air into this area, into the office. In this area, he's going to have a big 60-inch TV that's going to show all of his driver assignments for the day. In this space, he's going to have a fridge, glass face, so he can put drinks, pop, water, Gatorades for his employees, and then on the countertop with a bunch of snacky stuff for his drivers. Seems like a good company to work for if you're like me. Okay, so stationed down the line now, we're at the leak test trailer for South Dakota Association of Rural Water Systems. On the inside, we have aluminum walls, PVC ceiling, aluminum cabinetry up front, and then you'll notice on the exterior of this, we have some strobe lighting. So on the interior of this trailer, it's going to get a 500-gallon stainless steel water tank. The customer has another vendor that's going to put a PLC over here and then some pump systems. So they're going to pressurize lines and find the leak. So here we are. You probably remember this trailer last week. Big gooseneck. Interior of this thing has sanded plywood walls, LED tube lights on the interior, AC. It's got heat, generator up front. We're in the final stages of finishing this one out. This one's going to head to Wyoming and Montana to WBI Energy. So on the exterior of this gooseneck, you're going to see the new design. You're going to see that angle going down. Big 9.5 foot gooseneck. This one doesn't have the taper up front. Charcoal gray finish. Now we jumped over to the fab side of the shop. What you see here and what we build in-house is all of our non-drop axle frames. So any of the ones that sit on a standard torsion or leaf spring system. And this is the gooseneck Snowden. You'll see in the back the taper and then the trench drain, the gooseneck up front. The guys are working on this. We'll have it out to go get galvanized in the next few days. So that's it for this week's shop walk tour. You got to see a bathroom trailer, a gooseneck trailer, gooseneck snow den, 2 offices, and then a leak test trailer. Thanks for watching.